Most AI agents launch, hit good enough, and then just stop getting better. The model behind your agent is frozen. It runs 1,000 times a day and learns nothing from any of it. This YC startup asks a simple question. What if your agent got a little smarter every single day? Meet Carrot Labs. Here's the trap. You ship an agent on a big, general model. Out of the box, it's good. It handles most of your cases well. But that last stretch, your edge cases, your tone, your tools, never improves. The model is frozen, and it's the exact same one everyone else is renting. Every correction, every clean run, every hard example your agent sees in production, all of that experience is just thrown away. Carrot Labs from the Y Combinator Winter 2026 batch is built to capture that experience. Its pitch: continuous learning for production AI. Grow your intelligence in-house. Instead of renting a frozen model forever, you grow your own specialist, one that's tuned to your work and keeps getting better. It's a two-person team: Christopher Acker, who led AI at a satellite communications company, and Yuta Baba, a former senior data scientist at Snowflake. Their launch line is exactly the promise: custom models tuned to your tasks that never stop improving. So how does that actually work? The whole product is one loop, a reliability loop that wraps around your agent. Step 1. Capture. Carrot quietly records every call your agent makes to a model: the inputs, the outputs, how long it took, with no change to how your app behaves. Step 2. Measure. It scores those real runs on what actually matters: latency, correctness, whether the right tools got called, and your own quality bar. Step 3. Improve. When the data justifies it, Carrot builds a smaller, custom model from your traffic, serves it, watches the new results, and goes around the loop again. It compounds. And plugging it in is almost suspiciously easy. Capturing your traffic is a header or a few lines of Python. Serving the new model uses an OpenAI-compatible interface. You point your code at a new address, swap the model name, and everything else stays the same. Why bother? Because a model trained on your tasks can beat a giant general one at your tasks, while being smaller, faster, and cheaper to run. Carrot is honest that this isn't free magic. A first distilled model can actually be worse than the original. It only pulls ahead once it's tuned on enough of your real data. Fine-tuning, in their words, only when it's justified. But here's the part that compounds. The more your agent runs, the more proprietary data you feed the loop, and the better your private model gets. That model becomes an asset only you own, harder for a competitor to copy. The bigger you grow, your usage stops being just a cost and starts being a moat. Put this next to the last company I covered, terminal use, and you can see the whole shift. There, the bet was that the harness around the model is what matters. Here, the bet is that the model itself can become your moat. Rent the frontier to get started, then grow a specialist to win. So the honest verdict. What's genuinely useful is that Carrot turns a messy expert job, capture, evaluate, distill, redeploy, into one managed loop with a drop-in interface that makes it low risk to try. The catches are real. You need genuine production volume and honest quality metrics, or there's nothing to learn from. Distillation doesn't always win, and it's brand new, a team of 2 with no public customer results yet. And the big one, this means routing your production traffic through a third party to build that model. For some teams, that data question alone is the whole decision. Still, the direction feels right. A frozen, one-size-fits-all model was never going to be the end state. So tell me, which one task would you most want an agent that gets better at it every single day? Drop it in the comments.